Proper Tesla Model X wheel spacers can always fit your SUV without hurting ride quality. Good quality wheel spacers and correct fitment are the highest priority to ensure driving safety. People think that wheel spacers affect driving range because of the added weight. Actually, wheel spacers don't reduce the driving range at all. Pushing the wheels out a bit won't disrupt the airflow, hence there will be a negligible effect on a battery consumption. Tesla Model X wheel spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. Then come with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacers when rotating. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. When shopping for wheel spacers, the higher the precision, the better the surface quality, and the better the Tesla Model X wheel spacers can fit on the vehicle hub. There is less chance of vibration or wobbling. BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the heat and functionality of spacers. BONOSS Tesla wheel spacers' high precision makes the spacers fit the hub better, flush to the fender. This is helpful in avoiding high-speed wheel vibration.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!